So man, KT Paint. Today, I'm gonna install my new Rota grids, 17 by 8, 35 offset, Sumimoto HTR Z1, Z2 tires, 205, 40, 17 inch. Has a little stretch to it. Picked these up from a guy named Samson from GB Tires. Really cool dude. Good deals too. So if you need some tires and rims, GB Tires in Toronto or Saga. And yeah, show them my '92 Prelude. Show them that shit.
Dude, what's some ghetto shit?
That's how you get a car up because it's too low.
Oh. Yeah.
Alright, just finished putting them on. It's cold as balls. But yeah. Roller grids. It's not too bad. Might get spacers and then roll my fenders too.